Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, returning to our special coverage on tropical cyclones affecting the Philippine Islands, right here at Mr. Typhoon YouTube channel. And we are now changing the special coverage on before 92W, which has developed into tropical depression Tonyo 24W, and it's now shifting towards the potential typhoon to the east of the Visayas. So this is now special coverage on tropical depression 93W for this Sunday evening. So let's begin. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, the system, once LPA 92W is now Tonyo, accelerating away from the western coastal areas of Mindanao, and it's likely to move out of par by early or by tomorrow morning, it's Monday. While we shift our attention here over Palau, here's the rapidly developing new LPA. This is now already a tropical depression 93W, and later it could become 25W based on the number ID of JDWC. And Pag-asa might upgrade this into Ulysses, the 20th tropical cyclone of 2020. And you can see some easterly surface wind flow affecting the Bicol region, eastern Luzon, and eastern Visayas. Okay, let me move you now on our zoom in satellite animation. You can see here the system is still consolidating, but for the next 2 days it will accelerate towards the northwest in the general direction of the central Philippine Sea. Now let's take a look at our global models. This is around 8 a.m. this morning, but was released at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So the forecast track resembles the earlier track of Super Typhoon Raleigh way back last week, and this is really scary because the track might again visit the Bicol region, but if the forecast track will follow, most of them shows a track north of the Bicol region in between Aurora and Bicol Peninsula, and based on the forecast models, within the next three days from now it might pass over to the north of Bicol region, around more or less 100 kilometers north of Naga City, with possible landfall over central Luzon on either Wednesday evening or Thursday morning. So that's the forecast time of passage of this system. So you can also see here the track of tropical depression Tonyo. Let's focus our attention on our first storm watch number 1 track. We released this evening 8 p.m. So as you can see, for the next 2 days the system will rapidly intensify from a TD into a TY, or into a typhoon. Okay, and on 8 p.m. November 10, Tuesday, it might be reaching winds of 130 kph, gustiness up to 160, and it will start to move towards the west, straight west, due to the building high pressure ridge to the north, pushing the system more to the west, similar to the track that Raleigh has done. So if the track won't change, it will pass very close to the northern part of Bicol region in the evening of Wednesday, November 11. So that will be 3 days from now. Okay, so it might reach winds of 165 to 205 kph based on the average wind or intensity guidance models. So again, folks here over the Bicol region must be once again be prepared when this system is expected to pass over our area on Wednesday evening. or Thursday morning, depending on the forward speed of the system. And folks, over Central Luzon, including Metro Manila, Southern Tagalog provinces, please pay attention on this system because it may pass over your area Thursday, November 12 morning or noontime. So please take all necessary precautions, and please pay attention on the the area or the cone of uncertainty, because this might be the track where the storm will pass based on the spread out of the forecast up to 4 to 5 days. So as you can see, from northern Samar up to Isabela is the possible passage of this system. So please take all necessary precautions. Possible hazards includes, or the effects will be the usual: high winds, heavy rainfall, intense rainfall, as well as storm surge and landslides over mountain slopes or hilly slopes. So please take all necessary precautions. Right now it's still packing winds of 45 to 65 kph. We expect that to intensify based on the dynamic models. So here's the zoom track. There you go, passing just to the north of Naga, and it might pass over Calaguas Island. So we are going to pay attention on this system. A further jog to the south will bring it similar to the track of Quinta or Raleigh. So let's all hope and pray that the system will recurve towards the north just like this, but it depends on the high pressure steering ridge if it will weaken abruptly. But so far, as of now, all track points towards Bicol Peninsula and Central Luzon once again. So before we leave you, here's the quick summary of the GraphSat we issued around 4 p.m. this afternoon. You can see the northeast monsoon is now on its way and really starting to blow, affecting extreme northern Luzon, the northern parts of the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. Here comes Tonyo moving towards the west in the general direction of Vietnam in the next 2 days, and the trough affecting much of the Visayas, northern and eastern Mindanao, and some easterlies affecting the eastern sections of Luzon, including the Bicol region. So here comes now the active LPA as of 4 p.m. But right now it's already a tropical depression, so watch out for the name Ulysses beginning tomorrow from Pagasa, or maybe this evening. It depends if they update it already. So that's the latest. We'll be returning again tomorrow, Monday, to give you more updates on the upcoming tropical cyclone to the east of the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser, #TyphoonWiser. And thank you for watching our weather channel. And see you again tomorrow. Good night, guys.